Guys, Brian back with our Kaspa update here. We have another breakout happening here. Alright, so wanted to get a video out as soon as possible. This thing has been extremely profitable for me, longing this thing. Got in a long down here, and I just got in another long a couple hours ago right into here. So yeah, this thing's been great, but this breakout just happened to this wedge, so it looks like we are heading up further here. And I want to give a big thank you to everybody out there joining the channel. Thank you so much. Means a lot. It really does. That's really all I get for making these videos. So if you're interested, the description is in the link in the description of the video. You can join there. I think it's $2.99 a month, but thank you to everybody that has. I appreciate it so much. And if you're interested in longing and shorting the market or getting in on these longs on this thing here, there's a link for MEXC in the description of the video. You can go there and long and short the market, but just please be careful. If you have no experience with that stuff, don't play around. You can lose your money very fast, and just want to warn you of that. So but MEXC's great site. If you use a VPN, you don't got to worry about all that other stuff. So all right, let's get into this thing here. Right down here, all right, I want to show you something. I got something really interesting to show you guys here too in a second. It's crazy. It deals with Kaspa, but I put a trend-based fib extension on this thing. Okay, as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we got more than that coming in here. Okay, so if we take a width of this wedge, okay, move it over here on the breakout. All right, both of these line up pretty good. All right, so looking like we're heading up there. Okay, nothing's guaranteed, that's for sure. Okay, so don't take your life savings out and put it on this. But if it runs up from here, very realistic. We've seen 30% moves out of Kaspa in a day, so another 16% up. That would be fantastic. To be honest, I took a 20x out on this thing, so I'm already up pretty decent just from this move to there. So I love this coin. We definitely are, like I said, we're on the verge of a breakout. This all lines up. This is that area up there we talked about yesterday. And we'll get into that. This is just on the 1 hour chart. We're going to zoom out here and take a look on what's going on the outside here. So, but Kaspa news, I got something to show you guys here. Check out this. Vipera sets a new profit benchmark in crypto mining with the launch of Kaspa Miner KS3 and KS3L. Says Vipera Tech, a leader in the tech industry, has unveiled a highly anticipated Kaspa Miner KS3 and KS3L. In a groundbreaking development for the world of crypto mining, Vipera Tech has unveiled the highly anticipated Kaspa Miner KS3 and KS3L models from KAS miners. These innovative Kaspa miner machines, specifically designed to mine Kaspa, are poised to revolutionize the industry by offering unprecedented earning potential of up to $3,000 a day. It says facilitated by Vipera, a trusted leader in tech. The launch of KAS miners, trailblazing KAS miner KS3 KS3 models, opens the door for miners to tap into the rapidly expanding Kaspa market with unparalleled efficiency, paving the way for extraordinary economic opportunities. Now, if I click on the profitability, check this out. $2,500 a day, $76,000 a month, almost $1 million a year. All right, so electricity costs, I don't know if that's accurate. Could be. Don't know for sure. But what do these things cost, you ask? Well, check this. Look at this. How about $40,000? That's pretty crazy. 39.8, 41, 50,000 bucks. So I don't know if they let's click on it. I haven't done this, I haven't checked it out, but there it is, $42,000. Okay, KS3 manufactured by Bitmain, hash rate of 8.3, released in August of 2023. So they must have released them early, I take it. Remarkable Kaspa mining machine, about to be launched in August. I don't know. You know, pretty crazy though, huh? Jeez. Is it worth 40,000 bucks? Any of you guys out there know anything about this? Please put it in the comments. You know, all sales are final and non-refundable on any terms. Taxes and custom duties. This is a United States company, a U.S. company. So, mineable coins, Kaspa. Let's go down through here real quick. I got the most, 33 bucks a day. See, that sounds realistic. 35 bucks a day. That's about normal. Yeah, I don't know. Contact us, or follow us, or call, or WhatsApp 24/7. That just throws a red flag right there. WhatsApp 1806. I don't know. I don't know if they're an American company or not. Back in the article, I believe it said they were Vipera, United States Vipera. I don't know. Tread lightly on that, guys. If you know, if any jump on that, they have a 1-877-446-5697 phone number. Email us here. You know, if you call and it sounds like they're from Nigeria, I'd be extremely careful. All right. So anyway, I thought it was very interesting, pretty crazy. 40,000 bucks. I don't know. If you're really interested, I would definitely do your homework before you throw $40,000 at it. So let's get back to this, the crypto here, guys. Here is the crypto bubbles. All right, we got what's the biggest on here? Hex for the Avalanche. There's Paul Sachs. Boy, that thing has been very volatile. Holy cow. We got Ape starting to bounce. Got Cardano up a little bit. Just some little gains out there, nothing major today. So let's go over here. Kaspa here. Alright, let's get this stuff off here. Get that off there. And take a real quick look at Bitcoin. If you haven't yet, please join. Please hit subscribe. I would appreciate that very much. There we go. I even have my own Kaspa charts here that I use for my videos. It's my favorite coin, really. It's here we go, Bitcoin going sideways. That's all this thing's been doing. Let's wind this out here. Let's get out. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, geez, need to break that 31,500 here. All right, here it is. Just going sideways in this zone, you know. That daily RSI is reset though. We talked about that yesterday. There it is, 11, 7, and 8. So like I said, I expect this thing. Got that 12 on the floor, the 8 on the floor. Yeah, anytime this thing could really start moving. It really could. I mean, it's winding up here. You can see it's look at these last 4-hour candles, just consolidating in this little tiny band. It's winding up for something big here for sure. You know, gonna be over the weekend here. I hope so. You know, got the breakout of this sloping resistance here, but it really just has not had that takeoff from here. This pop here came out of nowhere, up to 31,520, right there, that green candle. You know, that was I don't know where that came from, but that was just out of nowhere. Right after it broke this resistance, it just fired up there. So hopefully we'll get Bitcoin flying here. That Bitcoin dominance is starting to. It's down. What is it? 0.06%. Let's go out on the daily. Yeah, definitely. Definitely starting to roll over a little bit. You got a almost like a daily trend line going up on this thing right here. You know, so once it breaks that, it broke this trend line here. Once it breaks this one, it's holding on to that support up at what is that, 51.44. It's bounced on there a couple days, but showing weakness, that's for sure. Got that daily at the bottom though, but the weekly, that's the one. That's the one that's going to drag it down here. You know, I can't see this thing going any higher. Alright, so let's go down. We're not going to go through all them. Is the total market cap doing anything? Not really. The weekly's still heading up on it. Let's look at the daily here. Got the breakout of that wedge here. It's just kind of playing around here until Bitcoin does something. Let's get into Kaspa. Let's get back to this chart. All right. I apologize here. I need my. There it is. That's what I need. They were loading up slowly here. Hold on 1 second, guys. I apologize. My other one is over here. I don't know why it's not. I have 3 Kaspa charts I use here. There it is. There we go. Need that one over. It is over there. Okay, here we go. Let's get into this chart here. Boy, look at this. This just looks beautiful. Them 2 big green candles look great. And this second one here, it's going to get bigger before the day is over. That's for sure. Alright, we got that daily RSI heading up on this thing. So, looking at the, like I said, looking for a big move out of here. Got the 12-hour. Is that 12? Looking good. Getting up there a little bit, but on the bottom down here, look how low it is still. You got a lot of room down there yet. The 8-hour, getting near the top. The 4 is at the top. Okay, so if we zoom in on here, zoom in on this whole move. Let's get a, see if we can see what we got going on here. There we go. We're getting right up to that 702 on this smaller, you know, on the not the big overall, but on this move right here, we're getting right near that 702. That's going to be a crucial number. Okay, that what is it? 0.02478. Watch that number. Okay, we break through that. This thing's going through that. You know, I'm pretty confident in that. I shouldn't say it like that. I don't want anybody out there going on long positions on stuff that I say, so please don't do that. But in my opinion, it's going through that. It's going up to these higher. I believe it's going to hit the trend-based extension number up there. And what number was that? Let's put that back on there. I believe it's heading for that for sure. You know, let's see here. Even if we don't use that wick, we probably should. Alright, it gives us a number of 0.0283. I definitely believe we're heading to that number. And if we zoom out here, let's leave that there. Okay, because we talked about this. 0.0283 on the bigger picture here. Geez, you gotta tie all these things together, you know, because everything on here means something. Let's pull this down here and see what happens. Alright, that puts us up right at that 618. Isn't that something how all this ties in together? right up to that 618. That's why I definitely believe we are heading there. Then we might have a decent correction after that, okay, which is fine. We hit the 618 and stall out a minute, no big deal. It's that 702 that I'm worried about up there at 0.03205. That's the one we need to blast through. Okay, so the 618, if we get up there and pause out for a week or so and have a pretty decent correction, that's fine, like I said. But that 0.032000 right over here, that's the one that we're going to be sweating it out a little bit. So I believe eventually we're going to make it through it. I believe Kaspa's heading for a lot higher prices, but I just don't want to see an ABC come in here and then have to start our way up from there. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. We have another breakout happening on this thing. Things are looking great. Everybody have a beautiful weekend. Please hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching the video, guys.